So let us start with without wasting much time. As I was talking about the rains, so this is a monsoon season, right? So monsoon season always gives you a lot of troubles to your skin. Well, summer also has its bad implication on the skin. Winter also has its bad implication on the skin. Whereas monsoon also has a lot of bad implications on the skin as well. Because the temperature usually changes. Sometimes the monsoons can be very cold. Sometimes the monsoons can be humid. So all these changes in the temperature can affect your skin a lot. So whenever your skin is affected, always the health of the skin is a very important thing. See, normally the moisturization or the dryness always depends on the temperature which is prevalent outside. That is the main reason why you need to take care of your skin in order to take care of your whole body, because your skin is considered to be the first line of defense. Whenever your skin is healthy, automatically the other organs of the body will also be healthy. That is the reason why skin always is called as a barrier. It is a first line of defense for our human bodies. That is the reason why you have to use a product which contains optimum moisturizing effect, which can moisturize your skin, which can hydrate your skin, which can maintain the water balance which is present in your skin, so that your skin will not be affected. So in order to say that your whole body will not be affected as well. Well, that is a place where saffron plays a very important role. Well, as you all know that this is actually the 9th session of iGlow that has been broadcasted on Facebook now. Facebook Live Ask the Doctor is the 9th session today. Well, saffron is the major ingredient which is present in our product iGlow. Well, saffron is also known for maintaining the skin hydration, my dear friends. It maintains the water balance within your skin. That is the reason why your skin is well moisturized, as well as it is protected from all kinds of bacteria and viruses. Especially the barrier function of the skin is in fact maintained by the help of this wonderful ingredient called as saffron. And that is the main reason why saffron is actually used in our wonderful product called as iGlow. Well, as I told you about saffron now, saffron is one of the costliest and most expensive ingredient which is present in this planet actually. In fact, that expensive saffron which is sourced from Kashmir is used in our product iGlow. If I have to tell you a very important demand for saffron in the world, the global saffron market is expected to grow from 321.13 million US dollars in 2020 to 558.13 US dollars by the end of 2025, which means that it is almost doubling up. The demand rate for saffron across the globe is almost doubling up by 2025. That is 5 years from now. Almost all the majority of the companies across the world, maybe it is a cosmeceutical company, it is a cosmetic company, or a nutri-cosmetic company, or a wellness-based company, everybody is on the hunt for saffron these days, because the demand for saffron is increasing day by day, because now the world is analyzing the importance of skin health, and well, saffron is one of the major candidates which can qualify for protecting or maintaining the skin's health. This is a very important thing, and that is a reason why the experts around the world are now telling that saffron's market across the world is going to boom like anything in the next 5 years. Well, my dear friends, you don't have to worry about it, because our product contains the best of the best saffron which is sourced from the Kashmir Valley in India. Well, we have enough stocks with us which can cater for number of years from now. So I can assure you that, so we don't have any shortage of this wonderful saffron, because nowadays, as you all know, that skin health, because of the coronavirus conditions, we are using a lot of protective gears. It may be the masks, it may be the gloves, or it may be the use of sanitizers. All these things have fabrics in them and chemicals in them. A simple sanitizer is an alcohol, or any kind of an alcoholic derivative. So all these things can have negative implications on the skin, and automatically the moisturizing effect or the dryness of the skin is usually seen, whereas moisturizing effect is totally lost in the skin. That is the reason why, irrespective of you using these wares, because the government is insisting us to use all these things, we have to use this, but at the same point of time, we need to take care of your skin health also, my dear friends. That is the reason why moisturization, skin health plays a very important role. Well, Anti-aging cosmetics. This is one of the new segments which has been seen in the world today after the lockdown situations of COVID-19. Anti-aging cosmetics, as we call. Well, everybody wants to look young in this world. Irrespective of your biological age, the skin also ages a lot. Well, the anti-aging cosmetic market is also expected to reach $60.26 billion by 2026. By 6 years from now, it is reaching around $60 billion, my dear friends, which means that people are actually looking into anti-aging cosmetics as well. That is also one important area that we need to know. And most of the anti-aging cosmetics that we have in this planet is the application cosmetics. In other words, to say, they are topical cosmetics, or the cosmetics which are applied on your skin. Well, they pose a lot of side effects because they have a lot of chemical synthetic derivatives which are used in these topical cosmetics. But as a wellness company, as a part of wellness company, I would like to say that our product also qualifies as a nutri-cosmetic, and we use 100% natural ingredients in our product. We don't use any synthetic derivatives, or we don't use any kind of preservatives or pesticides in our product which will have harmful effects on your skin. That is what we normally do, my dear friends. So this is how iGlow plays a very important role in the Indian market today as a nutri-cosmetic or an oral cosmetic. See, this is how the demand for nutri-cosmetic solutions are improving and increasing in the whole world today, and we are one of the front runners in it. So this is what we have to tell people also about this whenever they ask about what iGlow is all about. See, your first thing has to be, it is a oral cosmetic or it is a nutri-cosmetic product, and not a cosmetic which is applied topically. And our product is 100% natural, without the use of any preservatives or pesticides or synthetic derivatives or fertilizers. Any such harmful or hazardous element is not present in our product, my dear friends. Well, going ahead, as you all know that Kashmir's saffron is considered to be the best saffron in the world. If you see the geography of saffron, normally the saffron grows from Kashmir Valley till the Persia or the Iran or the beginning of the Europe, to the European continent as such. Well, different parts of the world has different types of saffron, but the Kashmir saffron is the best of the best in the world, my dear friends. That is the reason why it has got the geographical indication tag. We call it as the GI tag. In fact, the government of India has given a geographical indication tag for the saffron which is growing in Kashmir, and with the geographical indication tag, Kashmir saffron has more prominence in the world market today as compared to before. This happened in the month of May 2020, in fact. This is a very recent news what I am trying to tell you. This happened on May 3rd, 2020, when Government of India declared the geographical indication tag for this wonderful ingredient called as saffron. So, as you all know that, so iGlow is first of its kind product in India. It is a consumable product in India, not an application product. It is a consumable product. So iGlow is one of the, what I can tell you about iGlow is a product which is a topical cosmetic, not a topical cosmetic. It is a oral cosmetic. It is an oral cosmetic or a consumable cosmetic. These are the two important words that you people need to use in the field as well for the promotion. So it is called as an oral cosmetic or a consumable cosmetic product, which actually conditions your beauty from inside and makes your skin glow outside. This is what exactly iGlow does, my dear friends. So as you all know that iGlow is a product which will make your skin look brighter, younger and healthy looking. This is a very important thing. It actually makes your skin lightens. It lightens your skin. It makes your skin look younger, as well as it gives you a healthy skin. As I told you, skin is the largest organ of the human body, and it is a barrier support to the whole human body. Skin is actually a covering which supports you like a barrier, so that your body will not be affected, or your internal organs will not be affected with any kinds of diseases or disorders in future, my dear friends. Well, as you all know that in India also the nutri-cosmetic market is actually picking up. Well, we have a long history of use of such cosmetics in our from the prehistoric era in India as well, my dear friends. The use of saffron is actually seen in the textbooks of Ayurveda. So in fact, it is not a new ingredient that is actually showed to you. In fact, the culture of India, in fact, the history of India, if you see, a lot of cultures usually say that the saffron was actually used in most of the cosmetic preparations, and it was used profusely in human beings for medicinal and health benefits. That was how saffron was actually used in our products. so so nutri-cosmetic market, as I told you, cosmetic is a new word which is actually coined to such use of such herbs for health benefits. So nutri-cosmetics in fact can be derived from two important things: addition of nutrients and herbal extracts. This is the other important promotional tool that you have in hand, that you need to tell people outside when they ask you about what oral cosmetic is. It is nothing but addition of nutrition plus herbal extracts is equal to nutri-cosmetics. I would like to repeat this statement for the benefit of everybody. It is addition of nutrients or nutrition plus herbal extracts is equal to nutri-cosmetics. This is how nutri-cosmetics is actually helping us in protecting our skin against various kinds of dreadful diseases in the future. I hope you got my point clear. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, as I told you, saffron is the major ingredient in our product. Saffron is scientifically called as Crocus sativus. Whenever you see the box of iGlow, whenever you see the ingredient listing of iGlow, you can find this wonderful botanical name called as Crocus sativus. It is otherwise called as Kesar in Hindi. It is also called as Kunkumapu or Kunkumapu in Telugu. It is also called as Kesari in Kannada. So these are some of the terminologies which is normally used for this saffron, the name of saffron in the vernacular Indian languages. So in fact, kesar is a material which is sourced from the Kashmir Valley, and it is the most fragrant and an expensive spice in the world. So you might all be knowing about what spice is. In fact, kesar or saffron is also considered as one of the major spices in the world, my dear friend. So kesar or saffron is known for skin moisturizing, nourishing the skin, and making it blemish free and radiant. In fact, saffron was listed in the traditional textbooks of Ayurveda dating back to 5000 years old. It has a lot of antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities, and it is used for the management of pimples and skin breakouts. And it has healing properties which can enhance the process of skin recovery. So these are some of the major things that saffron is actually used for in this particular product, iGlow. Well, apart from saffron, iGlow also has various ingredients. See, because most of the people do this mistake, you just emphasize on only the saffron and leave the product aside. Please don't do that. Saffron is the major part of iGlow. Apart from saffron, a lot of other ingredients are also present in iGlow, my dear friends. So the second ingredient which is present in iGlow is called as natural plant collagen. As you all know that collagen is a protein. Collagen is called as a beauty protein. In fact, all your skin contains collagen. So whenever the network of collagen is strong, your skin becomes tight and strong. Whenever the network of collagen is weak, the skin also becomes weak. So we are using a patented technology called as natural plant collagen, which is exclusively derived from some of the botanical sources or the natural plants, and we do not use any kind of animal protein sources here. Again, I'm trying to tell you this point. We are not using any kind of animal products here. We are absolutely using the plant derived collagen, which actually improves your skin dullness as well as dark spots. Apart from this natural plant collagen, we also use something called as the grape seed extract. Everybody knows what grapes are, grapefruits in fact, not the grapefruit, the grapes. There are difference between the grapefruit and the grape. I'm talking about the grape actually. So the grape contains the seeds which is extracted, and we derive a material called as resveratrol. It is also derived from the skin of the grapes. So this resveratrol, as you know, is a wonderful antioxidant which will give enough hydration to your skin. Hydration in the sense it actually provides a lot of water content in your skin, by which it makes the skin healthier and more radiant. So the fourth ingredient that we have is called as a kojic acid. Well, most of the people do ask me that what is kojic acid, sir? Is it any kind of an acid which will kill your skin? No. Kojic acid is actually a very, very simple plant-derived acid. Acid does not mean that it has to burn your skin. So that is a very wrong notion actually. So kojic acid is a naturally derived plant acid. Okay. So it is actually derived from some of the plants and some of the, the seaweeds. The weeds are nothing but the plants which are present in the water. We also call them the algae or the algae. So whatever the pronunciation is. So this kojic acid is very important for protecting your skin against sun damage. It reduces the dark spots and helps maintain the skin health. And apart from this, we also have the licorice extract. Licorice is actually called as a sweet root. In Hindi, we call it as mulethi. In Kannada, we call it as jeshtamadu. In Telugu, we call it as atimaduram. In Tamil also, it is called as atimaduram. In Malayalam also, it is called as atimaduram. So these are some of the vernacular languages for this sweet root called as licorice. So licorice is a wonderful ingredient which brings about skin lightening benefits. And there is a particular natural element which in this licorice called as glabridin, which effectively controls oil in your skin. This is a very important thing. See, always I try to tell one important point here. Your skin should never be dry. It should be having optimum amount of sebum or oil. See, it should not be too much oil also. When it is having too much oil, automatically your pimples or other kinds of skin issues will start. The optimum of levels of oil have to be maintained on your skin, or the sebum has to be maintained on your skin. Licorice is an extract which will help you maintain that optimum levels of oil in your skin. But not only that, the lutein extract. Lutein is derived from a flower called as marigold. Marigold, as everybody knows what the flower of marigold is. It improves your skin hydration and elasticity. And the last ingredient that we have is called as CoQ10. It's called as coenzyme Q10. And again, we are using a plant-derived or natural-derived sources of CoQ10 here. CoQ10 is a very important ingredient which will provide you the skin energy. See, your whole body needs to be energized actually. Your skin is actually present from head till the toe. Skin is not only present on your face, right? So it is present from the head till the toe. That is the reason why even though your body is energized, your skin also needs to be energized. That is the reason why CoQ10 is a natural ingredient which is used in eye glow, which will energize your skin. See, this is how a product like eye glow is designed, my dear friends. I hope you got my points clear. So this is what exactly eye glow is all about. We call this as a holistic skin wellness supplement. Again, I'm trying to coin this word again. Holistic skin wellness supplement. This is what exactly is called as eye glow. I hope you got my point clear. So the benefits of eye glow when it is seen, you have the skin lightening benefit, anti-aging benefit, anti-wrinkle benefit, skin moisturizing benefits, dark spot reduction, blemish control, you have radiant complexion, skin damage control, skin rejuvenation, liver detox, and blood purification benefits as well. Why I am telling you these points is, eye glow is a product which is going to act from the internal and it is going to show its activity externally. See, internally in the sense, there are two important things which is going to happen when you take eye glow. First thing is called as a liver detox. It detoxifies your liver, by which the blood is also purified. Whenever the blood is purified, so automatically your skin health will also enhance. This is what exactly eye glow is going to do. See, whatever the points I listed you right now, each and every point I will try to describe you in the further coming eye glow Facebook live series. So each and every benefit I am going to describe you in detail, so that your promotional attributes, so that people who are listening to this, even the customers who are listening to this, will be well versed with how exactly the product is actually going to act in our body, act on our skin. So each and every of these 10 points or 11 points what I described you right now will be described in brief in the further coming eye glow series. I hope you got my point clear. So my dear friends, eye glow is an excellent product for all the skin types also. There are different types of skin actually. Some people have oily skin, some people have dry skin, some people have combination skin also. Similarly, different tones of the skin. Some people have a dark skin tone, some people have a lighter skin tone. So it is suitable for men, women as well as kids. For better results, I would always like to suggest you that you have to consume one sachet of eye glow in the morning, 15 minutes after your breakfast, and one sachet of eye glow in the night, 15 minutes after your dinner, for beneficial results. It can be safely consumed for longer periods of time without worrying much about the side effects. It can be taken as an adjuvant with other cosmetics as well as medications also. So these are some of the major attributes of eye glow, my dear friends. It can be given from children above 6 years of age till 100 years of age. You can definitely use eye glow, so you don't have to worry about any major side effects. I hope you got my points clear. So thank you very much, Vivides, for your patient listening. for all this time. And now this is a question answer time, so I'll be taking up the last week's questions first, followed by the present week's questions. I know that there are a lot of questions, so please don't worry about it. We are in fact in the process of framing a protocol where all your questions will be answered. I know that the pumping of questions even on the messenger is increasing day by day. We are in fact framing a protocol so that each and everyone's questions will be answered effectively and on time. So please do bear with us for some time, because the protocols are being made right now, the digitalization is being made right now. Once we have that in place, each and every questions will be answered precisely from our end on time. This is what I'm giving you an assurance right now, my dear friends. So let me talk to you on the questions which were actually given last week. My colleague Mr. Akbar has collected the questions for last week as well as this week. So the last week's questions, the first question is by Mr. Guru Chitli, Guru Klitti, Chitti, if I'm spelling it right. Sorry if I'm pronouncing the spelling wrong. Does fungal infection like itching problem will be controlled by using eye pulse and eye glow? Well, fungal infections are those which are recurring in nature. Recurring in the sense, it also depends on your humidity, the temperature, the rainfall, and so on and so forth. Well, definitely a very good combination of eye pulse and eye glow will be a better solution for this problem. So you can consume 30 ml of eye pulse twice a day before food, and eye glow should be 2 sachets after the food. This is how eye glow and eye pulse should be consumed in combination. I hope, Mr. Guru, you've got the answer. So the next question that I am seeing is from Mr. Milind Binde. Mr. Milind, if you are watching this, how long eye glow should be taken? If taken 1 sachet daily, how long to be taken? See, as I told you, eye glow can be taken for a minimum period of 3 months normally. If you are taking 1 sachet a day, you can definitely continue till 6 months also. There is no issue. But normally we suggest people who are considering this for a skin ailment to consume 2 sachets in a day. For a normal individual, to protect their skin, as I've been telling during the COVID-19 season also, you have to protect your skin. For the protection of the skin, one can consume only 1 sachet in a day is also enough. Please do not consume half sachet 2 times. Never do that. Don't consume half in the morning and half in the night. Please don't do that. Whenever you open the sachet of eye glow, please complete it. Do not leave any drop of eye glow within the sachet and consume it in the night or in the afternoon or something like that. Please don't do that. I hope you got my point clear, Mr. Milind. So the third question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Krishnaveni. Mr. Krishnaveni Bommineni, if I'm correct. If Miss Krishnaveni is watching this, is eye glow recommended for gluten sensitive people? Absolutely yes. Eye glow or any other product of Indus Viva does not contain any kind of allergens like gluten, lactose. Such things are not there, so you don't have to worry about it. You can definitely give it. So the next question that I am seeing here is by Miss Manjula Jitesh Kumar. If Miss Manjula Jitesh Kumar is watching this, someone using eye pulse can also use eye glow after the food. See, eye pulse should always be used half an hour before your food, whereas eye glow should be used 15 minutes to 30 minutes after your food always. I hope you got the difference here. Eye pulse is always before, eye glow is always after the food. All these dosages as well as the time of intake is designed scientifically for better absorption as well as the elimination of toxins from your body, the detoxification process. All these things are designed based on what we call it as ADME, the absorption, the digestion, the metabolism as well as the excretion. All these processes are kept in mind and the times are usually designed, my dear friends. So the last question of the last week that I am seeing here, so whether rashes can be cured with the help of eye glow. So far as the rashes are concerned, rashes can be acute or chronic in nature. Acute rashes can happen because of an allergy. You have a food allergy, you have a weather allergy. The rashes can happen immediately, or a medicine allergy for that matter. Rashes can be chronic as well. In some people, the rashes can continue for longer periods of time. See, as a generalized health supplement, you can consider both eye pulse as well as eye glow in such conditions, because both of them are detoxificants of the liver as well as purifiers of the blood, by which the rashes can definitely reduce, my dear friend. I hope you got my point clear. You can give a combination of eye pulse as well as eye glow both. So thanks very much for posing those queries. So I'm coming on to the queries which are posed today. Again, my colleague Mr. Akbar has given the questions to me. So the first question that I am seeing here is, can we give eye glow for leukoderma patients suffering from past 3 years? As I told you, leukoderma or vitiligo is a long-term chronic pigmentation disorder. Well, you can definitely give eye pulse as well as eye glow in such disorders as a long-run remedy. So I do not assure you that the things can happen within 1 or 2 days in a leukoderma or a vitiligo patient, because it's a pigmentation disorders over a period of time. What these products will normally do is they will detoxify your organs inside, by which what exactly happens is the retardation of the progression of the disease will stop. The progression of the disease can be retarded. This is what I'm exactly trying to tell you. Once the progression of the condition retards or stops, automatically the spreading of the disease will retard or stop. When the spreading stops, new kind of patches will not develop. So that is the reason why you need to take these health supplements for a longer duration, especially pulse and glow in such condition, so that the problem can be effectively tackled. I hope the points are clear to you. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Siju, which is the best time to use eye glow? I think, Mr. Siju, I have answered this again for the purpose of benefits for everybody. I am trying to answer this again. Eye glow has to be taken once in the morning, at least by 8:30 a.m. or after your food. Basically, it is 15 minutes after your breakfast. Suppose if you are doing breakfast by 8:30, it should be taken by 8:45 or 9 o'clock in the morning. So better time is 8:45 in the morning is a good time to use that. Similarly, in the night also 8:45 in the night is a good time to use this as well. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Lakshmi Kant. If Mr. Lakshmi Kant is watching this, is the skin ringworm and white patches infection can be suggested in case of eye glow? Can eye glow be suggested? I'm trying to modify this question a bit. Can eye glow be used in cases of ringworm infections? I think white patches I've already told in the previous answer. So the ringworm infections, when you see, again, it is as you all know that it's a ringworm by as such. Definitely in such conditions, you can use eye glow as a generalized health supplement, which can bring about a better skin health. Again, as I told you, you can use one in the morning and one in the night, 15 minutes after your breakfast and 15 minutes after your dinner, my dear friend. So the next question that I'm seeing here is from okay, I'm just trying to look at your questions now. Okay, Mr. Siju is asking another question here. Can we control hair loss with eye glow, and what is the best time of usage of eye glow? I think one part of the question I have already answered it here. The second part of the question regarding the hair problems, Mr. Siju, if you are watching this, see, hair is one area that the company has not concentrated on right now so far as the clinical trials and scientific validation is concerned. Well, as I told you, I don't have a white paper in hand. I don't have a clinical validation or documentation in hand so far as eye pulse and eye glow is concerned and the hair related problems are concerned. So as of now, scientifically speaking, eye glow or eye pulse, scientifically speaking, has no activities or benefits on hair related issues or disorders. I hope my point is clear, Mr. Siju. So thank you very much all the Vivides for posing your questions on this particular product iGlow. So thanks a lot for posing all your queries. We anticipate a lot of other questions as well. As I've previously told you, the other important thing is you can also use the messenger which is present on the Facebook page as well, my dear friends. You can also shoot me your questions on the messenger. Once we have the protocol ready for answering the messenger, we will be able to answer your queries on a regular basis in a very short span of time as well. So thank you very much all the Vivides for posing your wonderful queries. So suppose if some of your questions are left unanswered today, so don't worry about it. We'll be able to answer those questions the next Thursday, which is an iGlow day. So thank you very much for your patient watching. Thanks a lot for all your participation. We really appreciate your continuous participation in the Facebook Live series. Thanks a lot. Have a great day ahead. Thanks very much.